So it says make x the subject of y is equal to the square root of 3x minus 2 over x plus 2. This is quite a difficult one. So we've got y is equal to 3x minus 2 divided by x plus 2. So basically, to remove the square root sign, we have to square both sides. So we now have y squared is equal to 3x minus 2 over x plus 2. Because we don't really want a denominator, we're going to multiply both sides by x plus 2. So it's going to give y squared times x plus 2 is equal to 3x minus 2. We will then expand the bracket here, so we're going to get xy squared plus 2y squared is equal to 3x minus 2. Now, because we're making x the subject, we now need to collect x on one side and all the other terms on the other side. It's easier to, in this case, to put x on this side. So on this side, we're going to have 2y squared plus 2. And on this side, we're going to have 3x minus xy squared. Now, the reason for doing that is we now have a common factor here, so we can now factorize the right-hand side. So we got, and then if we do this one as well, as a common factor of 2. So it's 2y squared plus 1. And on this side, we got x brackets 3 minus y squared. And then all we need to do now is divide by 3 minus y squared on both sides. So we're going to have that 2y squared plus 1 divided by 3 minus y squared is equal to x. We've now changed the subject. X is now the subject of this formula. Okay, this has been a video to show you how to change the subject of a formula. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.